In this episode, I will discuss the four main concepts and their combinations in options trading. Knowing and thoroughly understanding them already completes half of the job. Long, short, call, and put. I start with the obvious one.
Long is simply purchasing an asset. If you believe the price of something will rise, you buy it, either a contract, a cryptocurrency, or a stock. When you acquire an asset, you are long on it. In other words, you are a holder. For example, if you buy Tesla stock, you are long on Tesla or a stockholder. Let's talk about a gold coin. If you believe the price will rise, you will purchase it and hold it, hoping to sell it later for a profit. That's all about being long. Short is a little tricky because you generally don't own the asset you want to sell. You believe the price of an asset will decrease, but you don't own it. You can borrow it with a deposit, sell it on the market at today's price, and keep the earnings. However, you must return the same asset on a future date to release your deposit. Discussing fungible and non-fungible assets is beyond the scope of this training. Just remember that you need to return the exact same asset. Now, let's return to our gold coin example. You believe the price will fall, but you don't own any gold coins. You can borrow one from a friend with a deposit, let's say for 2 months. However, you will need to repurchase the same gold coin to return it. If the future price is higher, you must repurchase it at that increased price and incur a loss. If the price is lower, you can buy it at a cheaper rate, return it, reclaim your deposit, and retain the difference as profit.
Thank you very much for watching this video. In the next video, I will discuss calls and puts. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.